original, made from Australia. Yes. But the blade is local, made from Kogon Market. Okay, well, may borrow this carrot. Okay, try natin kung makat ang carrot. It means the blade is sharp, the blade is real. Okay? Let's try! 1, 2, 3! Is it real? Is it sharp? Yes? Okay, one more. 1, 2! Yeah. Alright. Iron Man and Dracula, kasi pinaka-brave sa inyong dua. Raise your hand! Kasi pinaka-brave, raise your hand! Okay, bato-bato pick mo, bato-bato pick mo. Stay here. Bato-bato pick ha. Okay, ready? Go! Bato-bato pick! Who's the winner? Ha? Ikaw ang winner? Ito ako maglag kami. Stay here guys, stay here.
I'm the Sarah.
Okay, don't worry, Iron.
I'm the Sarah, I won't go away.
Nothing will happen. No, your right hand. Okay, Brad, dawiri ba? Kapag ba dawiri? Okay, I count 1 to the guys. Magic and nothing will happen to Iron Man. Ready? I count 1, 2, 3. Okay, straight and head straight. 1, 2, 3! Where's your mommy? Nasa si mommy niyo? Ulit na. It's okay. Sir, okay lang mapunto lang right. Kapaman si Silent. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Ay, isa. Wait mo na. Tawaha si Balat Pulaw. Okay guys, actually kanina magic is optional. Optional, okay. Pas pwede masagot na to. Pwede continue na to. Pag puto ilang kamot, pwede mo din. I-continue din. I-continue mo na to. Ikaw na sa Dracula. Okay kuya, ikaw mag-catch a hand ni Dracula. Okay, ayan lang ka. Ikaw mag-catch a hand. Dracula siya. Okay, alright. Ready na Dracula? Alright!
Hanap siya dili.
Ready! Count 1, 2, 3, then count ako nga ni Dracula. 1, 2, 3! Again. Ready!
Paano mo kaalala ka mahadlok ka? Hadlok, yanlok lang ba?
What happened? Alright. Okay. Guys, don't worry. We have two magical effects. First magic, hindi makat ang hand ni Dracula. Pero hindi makat ang hand. Pero ang carrot, naputol. Yes. Second magic was magical because the hand will cut, the carrot will not. Alright. Importante, hand of carrot. Carrot. Very good. Carrot. Alright, ready! 1, 2, 1, 2!
Hala!
Oh, nothing happened.